Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on one of the most anticipated developments in Kingston. We are talking about the 27th floor Ascent at the Oxford. Now this is the latest on the development. More containers seem to have arrived at the scene, and that one we're looking at there is definitely new. We spoke to somebody here, and they said that construction is to start back before the end of the year. That's why they are moving back in these containers with equipment. So we will keep you guys updated on this because this is a magnificent building. 27 floors would be the tallest building in Kingston and the fifth tallest building in Jamaica. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. The Ascent at the Oxford is one of the most ambitious private sector developments ever proposed in Jamaica. Planned for 1B Oxford Road in New Kingston, the project is designed as a 27-story mixed-use tower combining luxury residences, office space, a five-star hotel, retail facilities, and entertainment amenities. If completed as planned, it would become one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica and among the tallest in the Caribbean. The development is being spearheaded by Stratosphere Development Limited, led by CEO Linton Shirley. The project received regulatory approvals from the agencies including NEPA, the Jamaica Fire Brigade, and the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation after several rounds of review. According to approved plans, the Ascent will include luxury residential apartments, multiple levels of commercial office space, a five-star hotel, observatory and entertainment areas, swimming pools and leisure facilities, extensive parking facilities, and smart building technology integrated throughout the tower. Construction was originally announced to begin in 2023, with foundation works expected to be undertaken by New York-based specialists. However, progress has been slower than initially projected, and the full superstructure has not yet risen above the ground as originally envisioned. Various reports indicate that approvals were secured and preparatory work was planned, but the project appears to have experienced delays common to large-scale developments. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. We will keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, have a good day.